girl Jay Amari, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I got this soft. Okay, son, outshine me then.
What? Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna show you guys how I got this soft glam Valentine's Day look. I would say this is kind of beginner friendly. If you're not good with cut creases and stuff, then it's okay. I have another look coming for you guys that is going to be monochromatic, so it's just going to be one color, and I'm gonna show you how to slay it, okay? But this how, you know, just a cute little for the girls and the gays, you know. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. I'm just talking. So I just want to show you guys how I got this look. Purr. But I just want to bring you guys this like Valentine's Day look as we spend this season social distancing. You know, you still might want to be a baddie for your man or your girl or whoever. You might be going out on Valentine's Day, however you want to spend it. And I just wanted to bring you guys something cute, classy, that is just, you know, a little something. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so I will be using the Jackie Aina palette and also Subculture by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You'll see Subculture a little later, but I'm going in with the palette, and the first shade I'm using is Ginger, just to put a little warmth on my eyes before I get into the darker chocolate brown color, okay? Okay, so now I'm taking Subculture by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just taking a Morphe brush, just a nice fluffy brush, and I'm dipping into the shade called Fudge, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and like outer V area just to darken it up some and bring a little depth into what is gonna happen next. Okay, now that I finished blending out Fudge, I want to take Fit Me's by Maybelline, their concealer, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease because it's a little bit light. And what I like to do, I learned this hack where you simply just apply the concealer and look up so that you can cut your crease instead of taking a brush and cutting. I like to use this method when I'm not aiming for a clean cut crease. I wanted the cut crease to be very soft and not perfect, so you just see me kind of filling it in and looking up to make sure everything is evenly coated. And I'm gonna do that for both eyes, and I'll be back. Okay, now that the concealer is all applied, like I said, I wanted the cut crease to be very soft, so I'm just taking a like tapered, like a soft brush, and blending out the concealer because we're not aiming for clean, okay? We want soft, you know? So I'm literally just blending and patting the concealer into my eyelid, okay? Now I'm taking a nice little Wet n Wild brush. It's just a little fluffy, slightly fluffy brush, and I'm taking Subculture again, and I'm using the shade Dawn, and I'm going to literally pack it into my like the crease where we just lay all the concealer down. I'm gonna literally pack it in there and blend it so it's no like harsh lines where the concealer and the color Fudge met, you know. I want to just kind of blend it and merge it all together. So just pack it in there, and you guys, you do not need either one of these palettes to complete this look. These are just the palettes I had and used, but as long as you have like those colors, you know, you are Gucci, Louis, Prada, okay? Okay, so you see how I'm taking my brush and I'm blending it like like right here, how I'm just kind of blending on the line. You want to keep doing that because you want your look to be soft. We're not aiming for a sharp, you know, cutthroat type cut crease, okay? So just don't forget to blend, okay? Blend, blend, blend. Okay, now literally I'm going back in with the shade Fudge to clean up, you know, the soft cut crease. We don't want that, you know, color just to meet that chocolate brown shade and not be all clean. You know, you don't want it to just be sitting there. That's not cute. We want to have a gradual build, you know. We want it to look so nice. We want the blending to be superb, babes, superb. So we're gonna just work Fudge back in there on the outer skirts, you know, of the crease, and blend it all together and make sure everything is looking nice, okay? Okay, so now I'm taking a white liner and I'm going to line my waterline. And if you don't have white liner, I would suggest using maybe white eyeshadow for this step. But you want to get to your waterline and just line it completely, okay? Okay, so right now I'm using the color Supreme from out of the Jackie Aina palette. And don't mind me, you guys, I was looking for a brush to apply Supreme. I ended up using one of the brush that comes with those palettes. And literally all you want to do is pack Supreme into your waterline on top of the white, okay? That is what's going to make your pink stand out, okay? Excuse the shadowing, guys, but you know, natural light, okay? But if anything, it gives you a better look at how my makeup turned out. I just have on some lashes that I got from the beauty supply store, and don't worry guys, everything that I use will be in the description box. These lashes are by IMV. They're in their number is 116. They're in a purple box. And for my lips, I use Milani's Liquid Matte in the shade Covet. I also use Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Matte in the shade Milkshake, and then I topped it with ColourPop's Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Here's to You. It's called Here's to You. I was trying to read it. It was in white, y'all. Sorry. But yeah, this is how my look turned out. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. And remember that I do have another Valentine's Day look coming, just in case you're like, Jocelyn, this one was a little too complicated. I tried to keep it as easy as possible, but this is how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
There's pink black girls in my area, cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini